Top 32 common action verb collocations in English.
Take a shower. Make a decision. Give a presentation. Have a conversation. Do the dishes. Eat breakfast. Go for a walk. Play a game. Write a letter. Play the guitar. Read a book. Watch a movie. Listen to music. Catch a bus. Cook dinner. Drive a car. Fly a kite. Buy groceries. Sing a song. Dance to music. Clean the house. Paint a picture. Study for exams. Swim in a pool.
Learn a language. Start a business. Do exercises. Make a phone call.
Get dressed. Write an essay. Send an email. Help someone. Congratulations on your continuous improvement in English every day. Like and subscribe for more videos.